In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find shake effect in Capcut PC. So it's very simple, and so let's jump right into this video. Capcut is a great application. It's a great app on your computer or on your phone, but every single update, Capcut usually has the I think it's just a habit, or they just want to change some things. So it's hard sometimes to find some effects that you want. So to find a shake effect, just click on the effects here, and then here we have opening, lens, nightclub, star, a lot of things. So click on nightclub, please. And here in nightclub we have shake effect. Click on the download, and now we can grab it to our video, and as you can see, we have the shake effect. We can add it to our video. From here we can increase the speed. Sorry, I just grabbed the wrong effect. Shake here, not strobe. I'm really sorry. So shake effect here. We can increase the strength, can increase the speed. And now we have our shake effect. We can move it exactly where we want. So just remember, you have to click on effects and then nightclub, and then here in nightclub you should see shake. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.